Okay, students, today we are discussing alcoholic abuse concept. Clear? So, chronic usage of alcohol only dangerous to human being, but daily 6 to 10 ml of alcohol, if anybody will consume, means no problem at all. It is promote that one the health also. Correct? Yes, yes, correct. I told that one. It is correct statement. Correct. Mainly somebody if they will take that one the alcohol, mainly if you are go to the foreign countries, even small age in the old age work, everybody can drink that one the alcohol. It is a normal drink, like in yes, we'll drink that one the cold drinks, they will drink that one the wines. Why? Because their climatic conditions are like that only. If you are drink that one the alcohol only, they can tolerate that one the cold climate, they can, otherwise they can't. Understood? Why? Because our country is tropical country, but that country is temperate country. Correct? They won't get the proper sunlight. They won't get the proper sunlight. We have that one, the excessive sunlight. Correct? So that's why for the protection of that sunlight, we are using different type of, we are drinking the different type of drinks. Correct? Okay. So, but in this one, okay, but alcohols nalli, if you are take means what the chronic usage of the alcohol, what is the effects we can discuss now. Effects of chronic, yes. Okay, first of all, if normally if they will take, means no problem at all, but they are addicted to this alcohol, means it's very dangerous. Come on now, speak out. It's mainly affected to the which part of our brain? Yeah, our body. Mainly cerebellum. You know that one, cerebellum? So totally, yes, it is balancing that one our body organs. Mainly, it is maintain the voluntary organs or involuntary organs. Voluntary organs. So voluntary organs is under the control of cerebellum. Okay, do you know our brain is divided into three parts? Forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. So hindbrain only again three parts are there. Can you speak out? Pons varoli, second cerebellum, third one medulla oblongata. In these three parts, cerebellum is one of the brain part. It is also called small brain, we can call. What we can call? Small brain. This small brain is controlling our voluntary organs function. Means what? Suppose when we are walking, we have to go in a stagnant way. We not go like this one zigzag method. We won't go. We have to go in a correct way only. Correct? But those who are taken that one, the more alcohol consumption, you already know how their behavior. They can't able to stand also. Suppose if they can able to stand also, okay now, which side they can fell down also, we can't is, yes, we can't predict also. Correct? If you want to completely walk also, okay now, right leg will be go to the left and left will be go to the right. So like that one, this is about the behavior. Plus, in that time, I think somebody is saying that one, those are taking the excess alcohol, they will tell the truth ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದು ಎಷ್ಟುವರೆಗೂ ನಿಜನೋ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಜ್ಜು ಬೈನೆ ಕೇಳಬೇಕು. It is recording, you know. Sorry. So, means what? Yes. Means what? Okay. Sometimes behavior is completely different. Somebody, alcoholic persons are, they will come to that one person and intentionally they are arguing with some concept. Intentionally, because that is not the situation also, but they are creating the situation and they are quarreling with them. Okay, clear? So this is about the situation, and unnecessarily they will talk that one, and unnecessary talking also they can do. That's why if anybody will come and unnecessarily and they are disturbing, means first we are saying that one yen ennu kudi bandidira anta now ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Correct? Wrong means what? Generally normal behavior, abnormal behavior we can easily find out. Correct? Wrong? Okay now. So this is about the character feature of drug addiction or mainly alcoholic addiction. Correct? But the alcoholic addiction, mainly if they are continued for many years, it is very very dangerous because it is mainly effective to that one our liver. Okay now? So that is called them as fatty liver. It causes that one in the liver, it causes. So drug addiction means what? Alcoholic abuse is completely causes, that is called, okay, fatty liver syndrome. Fatty liver syndrome. Why? If you are drink the alcohol, why majorly liver only, why it is suffered? Anybody can Give the clarity. You see, generally this is about our digestive system, mainly stomach. Stomach is completely leads to that one, the small intestine. This is small intestine. Clear? And which part of which part of our thorax, our liver is situated? That is called right or left side? Right side or left side? Right side our liver is situated. You see, this is about the liver. Clear? So generally, between that one, the small intestine and liver, one of the portal vein is present. Can you speak out? Which one? Hepatic portal vein is present. What is meant by portal system? Portal system meaning it. Yes, portal vein means what? Generally, those blood vessels are originated from capillaries and end with capillaries. Okay, now those are started from capillaries and end with the capillaries. That one is what we can call portal system. But here, a special type of the blood vessel is present between the small intestine. Okay, that is called, what is the name of this one? That is called hepatic portal vein. Hepatic portal vein. Clear? You see, after the digestion, the food is completely absorbed in the small intestine. Clear? Next one. After the absorption, the digested food is enter into that one, the which one? That is called blood vessels. Blood vessels. Suppose we are taking that one, the starch, means what? Rice. After the digestion, the rice is converted to which one? Glucose. Correct? After the digestion, the starch is converted into which one? Glucose. Now the glucose is entering which one? Blood vessels. And how much, what are the glucose amount is required for our body activity? That one is present. Remaining glucose, it will be go to the where? Liver. And that glucose is converted into which one? Glucose is converted into which one? Glycogen. Correct? Glucose is converted into glycogen. So this glycogen is stored in the liver only. Glycogen is stored in the which one? Liver. So, glucose, it will be go to that one, the liver, through which duct? That is called hepatic portal vein. Correct? Hepatic portal vein is only helpful for transporting of this glucose. But those are taken that one, the excessive alcohol. Yes, it is enter into that one, the stomach to which one? The small intestine. Same, small intestine is absorb the alcohol and along with the blood, and these alcohol also completely enter into which one? Liver. Even, yes, stomach also will be absorbed. Okay, no? Or along with the blood vessel, it will be go to that one, the liver. In first piece only, I think we learn about the digestive system. Even alcoholic absorption takes place in the which one? Stomach also. Stomachnally, even small intestinally also absorption takes place. So finally, alcohol, it will be go to the liver. So little amount of alcohol if you are take means what? It will be detoxifying. Detoxifying means what? It decreasing the concentration. Okay. But if you are taking the excessive alcohol, what will be happen means excessive alcohol, it will be go to the liver, and this alcohol is converted into acetaldehyde. It converted into acetaldehyde. Once this alcohol is converted into acetaldehyde in the liver, what will be happen? It will be suppressing that one glucose metabolism, protein metabolism. So protein metabolism, glucose metabolism, they can suppress. That's why glucose cannot convert into glycogen. Glucose cannot convert into glycogen. Means what? Glycogen storage capacity decreases in the liver. But who is disturbing this one? Means acetaldehyde. Plus, you already know liver is commonly producing cholesterol also. Liver can synthesizing cholesterol. But when the acetaldehyde formation is occurs, acetaldehyde deposition occurs, what will be happen means more cholesterol synthesis occur in the liver. And more fat synthesis occur in the liver. That's why what is happened, liver cells. What are the liver cells are there? Our liver cells are completely day by day they can degenerating. It is replaced by, the liver cells are replaced by that one, a special cells that is called fibrinogen cells. Fibrinogen cells. Fibrinogen cells are completely formed. Fibroblast cells. Fibroblast are completely formed. So this is very important. Fibroblast cells. Clear? You already know liver. Liver is commonly consists of hepatic lobules. Which one is the structural and functional units of the liver? Hepatic lobule. What is the shape of hepatic lobule? Hexagonal. Inside the hepatic lobule, come on, what are present? Generally, hepatocytes. Which cells are? Hepatocytes. Hepatocytes is also called liver cells. Liver cells are commonly perform this function only. They will convert into glucose to glycogen. But generally, who is converting glucose to glycogen? Which hormone is responsible for conversion of glucose to glycogen? Which hormone generally responsible? Yes, which one? Insulin. But insulin is secreted by whom? Pancreas. Here. So, insulin is converting the glucose to glycogen. That glycogen is temporarily stored in the which one? Liver. Suppose sometimes food ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಊಟ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಬಟ್ ಆ ಟೈಮ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತೀವಿ ಕಾರಣ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ yes what are the glycogen is stored in our liver it will be converted into glucose. Who is converting glycogen to glucose? Glucagon. One more hormone is there. Glucagon also secreted by which gland? Pancreas. So pancreas is secreting glucagon, pancreas also secreting insulin. Clear? So that is another thing. But when the alcohol consumption, if it is increases or chronic usage of the alcohol, what will be happen means totally it that alcohol is enter into the liver, it is converted into which one? Acetaldehyde. When the acetaldehyde concentration increase in the liver, it will be disrupt that one the glucose metabolism. Plus liver cells also one by one can be damaged. Our liver cells place nalli fibroblast cells are completely developed. Once these fibroblast cells are completely developed, totally liver is they start their decrease there in their size. Liver decreases in their size. Plus more fatty because I already said acetaldehyde is suppressing that one the carbohydrate metabolism and it is stimulating the which metabolism? Fat synthesis metabolism. So fat content is increases in the liver. Plus if the fat content increases in the liver through the blood vessel, that fat also will be go to that one our heart. It is also causes coronary artery diseases. Coronary artery diseases, that is called CAD. Mainly coronary arteries are special type of arteries are present in our heart muscle. Heart muscles ke blood supply beku tane. Matte ee blood supply koskara heart muscles ge ಒಂದು special blood vessels irutte. What is the name of that blood vessels? Blood vessels? Coronary arteries. Ee coronary arteries lumen will be narrow agutara. Why the coronary arteries lumen will be narrow means because of the deposition of the which one? Cholesterol. Clear? First to liver will be damaged. Second it is leads to that one the heart problems also. That much of very dangerous is there because of overconsumption of the alcohol. Clear? So this is about the phenomena. E coronary artery disease also we can call atherosclerosis. Nenpide tane atherosclerosis. E atherosclerosis ange continue aitandre come on what will be happen? Heart attack agute. Hange continue aitandre it is leads to cardiac arrest. Understood? So liver damage and next one in the heart problems also will be arises by alcoholic consumption. That's why be limit. Okay, we can drink that one the alcohol but in limit only. If you are drink the alcohol means it is very very useful to us. Anything also okay na, even food also what is the food we are taking every day, that one also limit only we have to take. If you take unlimited means it is also converted to poisoning. Poisoning means what? It is caused that one the other type of disorders it will be causes that one. Mainly it leads to obesity and different types of disorders ke problem agute. Okay na? Up to 20-25 years varage no problem na. What is the food we are eating? Okay na? But after 25 years you have to control your diet. Okay? So mainly you have to avoid that one the fast food and fat containing food you should avoid. And over alcoholism also it is very dangerous and over smoking also very dangerous. Clear? So this is called okay. So that's why overconsumption of the alcohol it is leads to which one? The fatty liver syndrome. A fatty liver syndrome if it is continue means it is causes cirrhosis. It is also called liver cirrhosis. It leads to liver cirrhosis. Very very important. Liver cirrhosis ಅಂದ್ರೆ liver damage ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, liver size decrease ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ liver ಕೆಲಸ ತುಂಬಾ but liver is having any digestive enzymes? No, it is not having any digestive enzyme, but it plays an important role in so many metabolic activities. In so many metabolic activities and liver is play an important role. Correct? Wrong? That liver if it will be damaged means okay. It will be damage means it cause the death also. It will be cause the death also. Clear? Idu alcoholism. Mainly, why the people are addicted to this alcoholic abuse means because certain conditions. Suppose somebody they have to start the alcoholic consumption as a fashion. Later, it is leads to that one. Gradually, it leads to addiction. Because somebody they are completely supposed or some of the family members, okay, they are running one business means, but they lost that one in that business, but okay, they are completely taken so much of loans from banks and other people also, but they lost means what, in that stress, and they start that one the consumption of this. But overconsumption, it leads to damaging the plant, damaging that one the body parts, and leads to coma hogi a coma nalli they will go to deep sleep, permanent sleeping now, okay na. So that is called the mass death, it is leads to death. So na, so this is alcoholic consumption. Okay, next, uh, come on now, which one is called, which day is generally calling as world no tobacco day? No tobacco day anta ಒಂದು day ಗೆ convert, now generally we are celebrating which one, that is called May 31st. May 31st is celebrated as no tobacco day. No tobacco day is completely we are celebrating 31st May. That is yours black day, no? No, no. Okay, so no tobacco day. Okay. You yake ಪ್ರಜ್ಜುಬಾಯಿನಿ control. Okay, yes. Next. Important. Drugs nalli one type of drugs are there, that is called anabolic steroids. Are you ready? Anabolic steroids. E anabolic steroid also one type of drugs. It will be majorly taken by the sports people to improve their performance in their sports. Mainly they are increasing the muscle strength. Mainly they are participating in the sports. That is anabolic steroids. But anabolic steroids are natural or artificial? Artificial. It is not made by natural method. It is all are artificial steroids. The artificial steroid they will injecting now. That's why sports people they are participate even national or international games also. First dope test ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ. Do you know the dope test? Urine sample they are collecting now before participating in their games or sports. Urine sample compulsory they should submit. Clear? So after the performance, suppose this person is win. This person is win that one. Already dope test means what, they are conducting the urine test. But on that urine test, if they are using any steroids or if they are using any anabolic steroids means through urine also it will come down. Suppose in that urine sample, if they are use that one the steroid sample is there means what? Okay, lifelong ban they can completely from their sports also. Why? Because if anybody is addicted to this taking of these anabolic steroids, it will be may causes some side effects also in their regular life. Suppose if any female, it will be take that one these anabolic steroids, female athletics, or if anybody will take this one means they will get that one some male characters. So what type of male character we can observe in that female athletic persons, do you know? First of all, yes, aggressiveness. Aggressiveness generally we can observe in that one the males, but females also getting the aggressiveness. That is about. Second one, the mood swing. ಯಾವ ಟೈಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ತಾರೋ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. So that's why this is called mood swing. And third one is called the musculine. ನೋಡಕ್ಕೆ ಇವರು ಮೇಲ್ ಆ ಫೀಮೇಲ್ ಅಂತ ಡೌಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಥರ ಮಸಿಲ್ಸ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಬಾಡಿನಲ್ಲಿ. Yes, musculine, totally more muscles development is occurs. The third one is called the mainly irregular menstrual cycle. Menstrual cycle is become irregular. And fourth one, next one is called enlargement of clitoris is there, you know. Clitoris is homologous to the penis of the male anta heltarappa. ಆ ಕ್ಲಿಟೋರಿಸ್ ಎನ್ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೇಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ plus unwanted hairs are developed on the face, mainly mustaches and beard also we can observe in that female. So these are about the some of the side effects we can observe by using of the which one are anabolic steroids. Anabolic steroids, it is very very dangerous. That's why if they want to participate in the sports, you have to depend upon your strength. Don't depend upon the steroid strength. Okay, so by consumption of the steroids they won't. Idra females nalli what type of, okay, sometimes maybe statement type of the questions also they may ask. So that's why what is the major side effects of anabolic steroids in the females? Speak out one by one. Aggressiveness, ahankara develop agutte, okay na, aggressiveness, mood swing, okay na, it is completely mood swing. Yes, muscle development, good muscle development. Yes, which one now? Facial hairs. Okay, now that is called facial hairs development is occurs. Enlargement of clitoris. Enlargement of clitoris. Okay, of clitoris. Next one now, irregular menstrual cycle. Irregular menstrual cycle. It is about. So it is also called virilism anta helboda. Virilism. Virilism andre females are getting male characters like this. Unwanted hairs development andre ಏನು ಅರ್ಥಪ್ಪ, ಓಕೆನಾ? ಸೊ ಫೇಶಿಯಲ್ ಹೇರ್ಸ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಫೀಮೇಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಟು ಮೇಲ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ even it is also used by the males also. Male athletic people also they can use that on these anabolic steroids. But government is prohibited these drugs. The consumption of this drug is completely prohibited by government, Indian government. But somebody, okay, somebody will take that one. Okay, so suppose in the males what type of andre same ade aggressiveness will be developed. Aggressiveness. Next one in ade mood swing. Okay, generally males are having good muscles also, but e persons mainly decrease the size of the testicles. Decrease the size of testicles. Size of testicles means what? Testis size become decreases. If the size is decreases means it leads to which one now? Sterility. It leads to sterility. That is okay. And at the same time, they are also having that one kidney problems. Kidney failure agutte. Kidney failure, comma liver failure. Kidney liver failure. Okay. So these are about the, okay. Very good. Bald head. Early bald head, not old age bald head. Early bald head means what? In the young stage only they get that one. Okay. Yes. Your loss, ಇವರಿಗೆ hair develop ಆಗುತ್ತೆ but ಇವರಿಗೆ hair loss ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So this is about the major defect of this one. Anabolic steroids. Anabolic steroids in the males. Anabolic steroids effects in females. Okay. Aggressiveness, mood swing, and decreasing the size of the testicles. It leads to sterility and liver and kidney failure, malfunction. It will be malfunctioning of kidneys, malfunctioning of liver also, and early baldness is also we can observe in this male persons. Those are addicted to that one. Okay, anabolic steroids. Anabolic steroids. Okay, people. So these are very very important. You should remember for your competitive exams. Mainly statement type of the questions they can may ask. Okay, na? Don't leave. Okay. Next, we can discuss about one more concept. How to. That's here I can write. Okay. Prevention methods. Prevention method of drug and alcoholic abuse. Clear? You know that one? First of all, avoid undue pressure. Second one, seeking parents and peers helps. Okay. And third one, education and counseling. And what about the fourth one? Yes. Okay, no? Which one? Looking for danger signs. Why? To take that one drugs. And last one. Okay. And seeking which one? Professional and medical help. Clear? So this one, because in your competitive examination, which one is correct method for preventing that one, the drug and alcoholic abuse? So these are about they can give. First, avoid the undue pressure. You already know nowadays, parent side plus management side also they are completely more pressurized on the students to get that one the more marks. But here, that much of pressure not there. Just we are giving the counseling to recharge their mindset. Correct? So we are not at all pressurizing that one. But you have to think about yourself. Okay? You have to think about your future. Then automatically you won't feel stress because question listening or lesson listening is a very important, plus question solving also very important. First time everybody is get that one the mistakes, but test by test we have to avoid the mistakes, then only we can get the perfection. That is only understood. So avoid the undue pressure, seeking the parents and peer help. If anybody will be addicted to the drugs or addicted to the smoking or addicted to the alcohol, first parents, first friends can be identify that one persons. Immediately we have to inform to that one the parents. Parents ಗೆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅವೈಲಬಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಯಾರಿರ್ತಾರೋ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ದ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ದೆಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ like that, seeking parents and peers help. Next one, education and counseling. This is the main important thing now nowadays people suppose if you are completely order means nobody can listen our words. Correct? Yes, by counseling only. In that counseling, mainly by requesting method only, if you are convinced, that means they can listen. Even small kids ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, even your age also ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. Correct? If anybody will put the order means they definitely compulsory they will do that. So that's why in the counseling method we have to convince to that. So those are addicted to drugs or any other these abuse, okay, we want to change their attitudes or we have to change their that habit. And one more important thing, somebody, okay, by counseling they realize that immediately they stop that one the consumption of either alcohol or smoking or drugs. But immediately if they will stop that one, it is also very dangerous. It is causes that one of the syndrome, name out, sudden stop or sudden discontinuation of the drug alcoholic abuse. It causes which syndrome? Withdrawal syndrome. Idunu very dangerous. Withdrawal syndrome. This one also they're asking, be careful. Withdrawal syndrome. Withdrawal syndrome meaning sudden withdrawal of drug or alcoholic addiction is called withdrawal syndrome. But suddenly if you are stopped that one the alcoholic consumption or drug consumption means, okay, we can get that one some group of symptoms, that is called syndrome. Come on, what type of symptoms we can observe? Shakiness, correct? Yes, anxiety. Next one, sweating. Next one, nausea. Okay, so these are about the major problems will be arise. Adike at a time sudden don't withdrawal from their habit. slowly, step by step, step by step. For example, one smoking persons are there, chain smoker anta karitura. Chain smoker means what? Okay, na? At a time they can smoke 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 totally at the time. Okay, so instead of 4, 3, next day 2, next day 1, like that one. Okay, gradually we can reduce that one, the dosage, either alcohol, either smoking, or either drug addiction. Slowly, if you are completely prevent means, okay, and that person cannot suffer from withdrawal syndrome. Withdrawal syndrome, this one also important. Nowadays, even those are addicted to the drugs, those are addicted to the alcohol, also medicines are came up. Do you know that medicines, it will be available in the form of the powder. That powder is not having any smell, that powder is not having any taste also, just that powder where we have to mix either in the food or in the milk or in the water. Even after mixing also, suppose that water is not change their flavor, not change their color, they not change their taste also, as it is water. Suppose the water nalli a powder mix madidandre, it completely looks like that one water only, even taste also. Why? Because already I said, one person they are addicted to the drugs means what, are addicted to the alcohol means what, that receptors already developed in their brain. Our receptors we have to completely remove that one. That receptors, if they will remove means the brain cannot will think that one about that drug. Clear? So that's why nowadays medicines also there. Medicines also there, without knowing that addicted person also we can add. Without knowing, even a addicted person food ತಿನ್ನೋವಾಗೇನೋ ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಕಾರಣ ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಹಂಗಿರುತ್ತಾರಪ್ಪ. It does not have any flavor, not any taste also, that one. Correct? So like that medicines also came, that one. Okay, so seeking the parents and peers help and education and counseling. Next one in the looking for danger signs, mainly very very important. Nowadays why youth are completely addicted to the drugs andre, because of the friends. Understood? That's why suppose if you are entering to that one, the new campus and new education, new study, new college you are entered means, first of all, if you don't know about the new one means, first of all, immediately don't select the one person as a friend. First you have to look up that one, what is their behavior. Suppose somebody 1 week, okay, their behavior normally, but after that one they will remove their mask andre innondu type irutte. So only one coin is there, one side only we can't see, and one other side also what is their behavior. Understood? After that only you have to select as a good friend. Understood? So that is the main important. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಡೇಸ್ ಮೇನ್ಲಿ, ಓಕೆ, ದಾವಣಗೆರೆ ಟೈಪ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಆ ಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ, ಮೇನ್ಲಿ ಈ ಡ್ರಗ್ಸ್ ಗಿಗ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಏನು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಏನು. ಬಟ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ ನನಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ, ಬಟ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋ ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ದ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರು ಇಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಡೇಂಜರಸ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಮೇನ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ನಲ್ಲೇ ಈ ಡ್ರಗ್ ಸ್ಮಗ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಈ ಡ್ರಗ್ಸ್ ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಗುಡ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಬ್ರೈಟ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಓನ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬೇಕು, ಹಿಂಗೇನು ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಆ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಪರ್ಮನೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರಲ್ಲ. ಆ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೂ ಅಡಿಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಿಡ್ನಿ ಫೇಲು, ಲಿವರ್ ಫೇಲು ಹೋಗಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ನನಗೊಂದು ಲಿವರ್ ಕೊಡಿ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ನನಗೊಂದು ಕಿಡ್ನಿ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ ಬೆಗ್ಗಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಬರಬಾರ್ದಂದರೆ ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್. ಎಸ್ ಅನ್ ಜಾಬ್ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ ಆ ಟೈಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಜನರಲಿ. ಅದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸರ್ಚ್ ಫಾರ್ ಜಾಬ್ಸ್. ಬಟ್ ದೀಸ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕಿಡ್ನಿ ಡೋನಾರ್, ಸರ್ಚ್ ಫಾರ್ ಲಿವರ್ ಡೋನಾರ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿ ಬರಬಾರದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಏಜ್ನಲ್ಲಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ರಾಂಗ್? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಆವಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಎಸ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಅವರ್ ಲೈಫ್. ಈವನ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಅವರ್ ಲೈಫ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಬ್ರೈಟ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಎಂಟರಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ನ್ಯೂ college campus, suppose if any drug smuggling is going on in that any corner of the college, first you have to look out that one, but don't just look that one also. Okay na? If you are come to that area also, piche mode like that one if you are do that. So finally yes, You have to find out that one the danger side, but don't go to that one the danger side. Don't visit that one the danger sites. Clear? So that is very very important. If you are observed such type of the things, better you have to inform to the higher authority. What are the management is there in that college? They have to inform to them. Understood? Okay. Okay. Next one. Okay. Those are family counseling is over. Friends counseling also over. They're not at all listening. They are continuing their drug addiction. Means ಈಗ final method in the professionals and medical help. ಈಗ medicines ತಗೊಂಡು also ನಾವು ಕ್ಯೂರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. Okay, mainly professionals are they are giving the counseling, they are mesmerizing, they are what they are doing? Yes, hypnotize that one also. Hypnotize ಮಾಡಿ. Understood? Psychiatrist ಹತ್ರ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ hypnotize ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. So that's why ಈ ತರಹ we have to completely prevent that one this drug addiction. Clear students? ಇದರ. So these are about the total concept in the human health and diseases. But in human health and diseases last year ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು question ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಗೊತ್ತಾ ನಿಮಗೆ? Only one question only came. But every year means last year means sorry. Only recent 2021 only one question only came from human health and diseases. But every year except this year, every year 3 questions they are asking from this chapter. Okay, no? One from diseases, one from immunity, one from this cancer and drug alcoholic abuse. Clear? That's why don't leave that one any sentence in your textbook. Okay, but little question, because in your NEET examination also, out of 90 questions 2 or 3 questions out of the NCERT. Like that in my test also, in our test also, in every week also we are giving 1 or 2 questions. We should give that one related, but extra we should give that. So thank you. Today class this much is enough.